Purple streetlights. Purple LED streetlights. I have some photographs here. These photographs are courtesy of my mother. She sent me these a couple of weeks ago, and these photographs depict LED streetlights gone bad. You can see it's like this all the way down the street. This is the green traffic lights, and then here's the stupid LED street lights. These are useless. You want to talk about poor color rendering? This is awful. Look at this trash. This is a road hazard. You can't see the road clearly. Oh gosh, I hate these lights. Here's a video. Look at this stupid purple patch on the road. The whole stinking street is like this. And this is not uncommon. This is going on all over the country. There's reports of these lights of lights, LED street lights turning purple everywhere. There's news reports, there's pictures, there's videos, there's commentary all over the place. It's outrageous. I'm going to add to the outrage with this bit of information. So this is a photograph from Google Pictures of the lights during the day. These are 70-watt LED fixture. This is what they look like. I don't know anything about what kind of lights these are, what brand, etc. I'm sure somebody could tell me. But where the light did it go? Here it is. This is what it looked like from the side. This stupid, boxy, ugly, flat piece of junk. At least in this case, they reused the mounting pole. But anyways, so this is the street light. It's a 70 watts. Right. The picture is very clear. This is a 70 watts LED. Ooh, LED street light. Now, if we change, we're gonna go back to 2019. The piece of junk is already there, and in 2018 the piece of junk is there, and then in 2016 it's a nice vintage reliable street light. So sometime between 2016 and 2018 the light was replaced. As of this taping, actually these I'm pretty sure those photographs was taken in 2023. Because as of the time of this taping, this is a while ago now, 2023. So that's only what, 5-6 years, and it's already broken. Now here's this is going to really add to the outrage. So this is a perfectly good working vintage high pressure sodium street light, and let's take a look at the number on there. What's that number? That's a 7. So it's a 70 watts high pressure sodium street light. That's what the 7 indicates, 70 watts. So 70 watts, and the new one that replaced it was 70 watts. 70 watts equals 70 watts. Therefore, the stupid piece of junk LED street light that was put in place of this one that's been working reliably for decades draws the exact same number of watts. Therefore, it's not any more efficient. Therefore, it's not saving any money, and it just serves absolutely no stinking purpose whatsoever. This is such a waste of taxpayer money, because now all these piece of garbage LED streetlights have to get thrown out and replaced 5 years later. So first we throw out perfectly good working high pressure sodium streetlights, which are working. They've been working for decades. They're reliable. The bulbs last a very long time. Look at the refractor lens on there. It shines light to the right. It shines light to the left. It gets it all over the road and not in your eyes. What does this thing have? Diodes on a circuit board, unshielded. The amount of glare that these stupid things produce is horrible. I hate driving at night now because of these things. I have to put the sun visor down half the time because when you get close underneath these things, the glare is blinding, and the light pollution is out of control. The light goes all over the place. It goes into the woods. It goes in people's houses. It goes in people's cars. Probably less than half of it actually ends up on the road. These things stink. I hate them. They're garbage. They don't even work. So now this whole road is full of purple garbage. For what? For what purpose? It's not saving any electricity because it draws the same amount of power. It doesn't provide any better light because now the light's stinking purple. What's the point in this? This is so stupid. I hate these street lights. They serve no purpose. We should have kept the high pressure sodium ones that work properly. Because this is a joke. And this is happening everywhere. It's happening in this state. It's happening all over the country. And yet somehow we're told that this is better. And there's so many people that come into my comment box and say that this is better. How is it better? What is better about this? Somebody explain it to me because I don't get it.